Hello everyone and welcome to this introduction on real-time market mastery, a program where we talk to you about how to approach the market and we show you how to approach the market real-time. Real-time market is a very different scenario than the actual analysis which you do post-market. That's why such kind of a program is very valuable, be it a professional trader or be it an investor. At any point in time you are participating in the market real time. So what this program is all about, this program is about how to fine tune your approach and how to be on the winning side most of the time. Why I say most of the time? Because you cannot be winning all the time, so you should know how to be successful in more number of trades rather than finding out you're inconsistent in your profit making abilities. So we use the concept of technical analysis, we use the concept of mind psychology, and we help you define a mindset, define a perspective so that you are able to participate in the market and make money on a consistent basis. In this workshop, we ensure that we are able to work on your mindset, able to give you certain set of tools and methodologies which can take care of price action trading, which can take care of support resistance trading, and also you could participate in the momentum, either if it's making higher high, higher low, or lower low, lower high. It doesn't matter. You know what to do. That's the most important question, and that's why we have different sets of tech tools and techniques. The main aim is to help you implement this technique in a structured manner. Why I use the word structured? Because people are participating in the market all the time. The question is whether are they making money consistently. That's why you need to have a structure. And under the aegis of Dr. Narang, we have been fortunate enough to design a wonderful program which is called as Real-Time Market Mastery. This program has three words. One is real-time, second word is market, and third word is mastery. So we teach you how to market the methods and technologies and how to master the market and ensure that you're on the pathway to profits. Well, you can see that there are 4 reasons why you should do the program. The reason number 1 is you will get personal attention. You can see from these images which I am sharing with you right now that one will be able to get personal attention. You can attend any number of programs in a large crowd, but you will never be able to get the attention you desire for solving your queries. How will you do that? You can only do it when you get personal attention, and that's why our programs are very unique and very, very personal. Reason number 2, you will get a structure, you will get a trading process, how to go about your trading, how to go about your investing, how to use the methods, and how to find out the market mood and sentiment. That's why we will be giving you structures based on well-researched methods. We will be taking trades even during the program so that you get to know how it has to be actioned. And that's why most of the people who participate in the program, they make returns on their investment in the program. Reason number 3, we enable your decision making. You are going to be the decision maker and you will know how to read a situation. And that's why this program is very, very different from any other program that you would have attended. And reason number 4 is market wisdom. And reason number 4 is market wisdom. We have Dr. Narang with us who will be sharing with us. You can see from these images, we have been sharing our information to all the participants based on his years of experience in the market. He summarizes and simplifies important concepts and nuggets of market wisdom. And this, he puts it down in a very simplistic manner to all the participants so that they are enabled and enhanced in their understanding of the market situation. So we define a boundary for you, and that's why these 4 reasons are very, very compelling for you to attend this program. Reason number 1, our personal attention to each of the candidates. Reason number 2, the trading process that we will set for you. Reason number 3, we will enable your decision making. And reason number 4, and the most ultimate reason, is the market wisdom which you will carry from this program, which will talk about not only about certain methods, etc., which you will get from everywhere. You will get to know about how to approach the market. And that's why you should attend this program called as Real-Time Market Mastery. And you will benefit from this entire exercise, because we have a host of features. We have a WhatsApp group where we share our recommendations and observations on a regular basis. We conduct a support webinar every quarter, and this makes it very interesting for you and engaging for you to solve your doubts. And you have 24 hours support from us, lifetime support from us, which will ensure that you are always in touch with the subject. At any point in time, you'll never be alone. And that's one of the greatest worries for every trader or investor. With that, I come to an end of this introduction. I'm sure that you are watching this on our YouTube channel. You are watching this on maybe even on your mobile, if somebody else has shared with you. But don't forget to click on the subscriber icon, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay updated on all the other interesting kind of programs and information updates that we will be featuring. And I'm sure that you will be benefiting from getting trained under Chart Advice regime, because Chart Advice has devised a lot of interesting programs, and I'm sure that you will carry a lot of valuable insights into the market approaches. Thank you very much for watching. See you sometime in our program. Thank you.